Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a funky 90s inspired set. I already shaped and prepped off camera, so now we're just going to go in with our clear acrylic and lay the nails. When laying your acrylic, you want to work the acrylic down the nail versus just immediately swiping. So you can see me just patting around the cuticle before I start to kind of coax it down the nail. I'm not immediately swiping because I'm swiping away all my acrylic, and then I'll have some really paper thin nails. You want to make sure that your free edge is thick enough, and then we're going to go ahead and build our apex. I do this by just placing my acrylic, pushing it up into the cuticle, pulling it down, patting around the cuticle, and then I'm just going to swipe the lower half because I don't want to swipe the entirety of the bead. If I do this, I'll swipe away at my apex. So this is pretty much how you lay a perfect nail. I'm gonna leave y'all be. I'm not gonna talk too much on this. If you guys do want more detailed tutorials, I do have an online course program where I teach in-depth tutorials on the entire nail process. Plus there's homework to encourage you guys to practice and challenge you. So if you'd like more information on that, go ahead and check out the caption. And yeah, I'll see y'all at the end of the video. Okay, y'all, so at this point my camera keeps running out of storage and the glue keeps sticking to my gloves, so we just gonna end it off right here. Let me know if you guys want a tutorial on how I did the body and the lips. This is how the final set came out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.